guys, first of all, I'm really sorry for the no makeup face. I actually planned to record a tutorial and then this review in daytime, but then I slept. Funny, because I never ever sleep in the afternoon, and today when I decided I wanted to do 2 videos, I just dozed off, and when I woke up I was like, whoa, what century is this? And then I realized that I have to now shoot this video under artificial lighting because there is no more natural lighting out there. But I thought of dropping the idea of the tutorial but still going with the review, because this review is around a new launch which you guys were really excited about. It is the Maybelline Baby Lips Spiced Up Lip Balms. Yay! So a lot of you wanted to see a review on this, so I got my hands on 2 of the shades. These have been launched in 3 shades which are specifically made for Indian skin, to suit Indian skin type, especially the darker skin people as well, because a lot of times the lip balms which are sort of rolled out by these companies, they only show up on fair skin and not on dark skin, which is like, what? Even I've had lip balms which look like, I have like a white layer on my lips, which looks really weird. So yes, these, as I said, are specifically made for Indian skins, and I have them in the shade Berry Sherbet. I'll just stay with Sherbet and not try to be fancy by saying Sherbet. So yes, Berry Sherbet and Spicy Cinnamon. So these are the 2 shades. Their outer casing looks like this. You guys know I like to save outer casing till I do a review because I want to show you the complete thing. So yes, this is what they look like, and what they claim is that these are lip smacking colors that pack a punch, more flavors, tantalizing flavors specially created to suit Indian preferences, more colors, deep shades specifically designed for sun-kissed Indian skin tones for a smack of translucent color, intense 12-hour care, adult strength formula with coconut oil, vitamin E and SPF 20, moisturizes lips for 12 hours, and yes, that is it. So yeah, that is what it says. This retails for 175 rupees for 4 gram of product, and yes, that is it with the packaging. Now let's move on to the actual lip balm. I'll be honest, you guys, I'm not a very big fan of this sort of packaging. Maybe it's the colors or something, but these look really cheap somehow. I don't know, because I've had baby lips in other colors like in pretty pinks and oranges, and they look really cute, and these, I don't know, I'm not really digging them. So yes, not being racist, no, I'm also Indian, I'm not being racist, please don't say that I'm racist, but yes, I just don't know, I don't find these very appealing. I'll be honest, I don't find these really appealing, maybe because I'm not like a brown lipstick person as such, so yes, maybe that's why. So yeah, coming back to this, I'm gonna also show you the swatches on the back of my hand first. These are translucent shades. They do not say that these are like completely, made to replace lipsticks. This is about 2 to 3 swipes of spicy cinnamon. This definitely has like a warm undertone which is going to suit Indian skin tones really beautifully. I'm not specifically a brown lipstick person, as I just said, but when I did apply this on my lip, I did feel that it suited me somehow. I don't know how. I do not like brown lipsticks at all, but this did suit me, so I was like, wow, nice. Alright, so next we have Berry Sherbet. Wow, why can't I just say Sherbet? Oh, it's irritating. So this is Berry Sherbet 2 to 3 times over. It's sort of a deep wine, but translucent deep wine, because the colors are translucent, as I just said. And this is what they look like on my skin. I'm next gonna add lip swatches so you can see how they look on my lips. Been asking me to do lip swatches while my whole face was showing, so I am starting with this video to do that. Otherwise, I do prefer that only my lips are showing, because that way you can see the color more properly, but your wish is my command. So I'm gonna try the spicy cinnamon first. Like, I'm gonna swatch it on my lips first. This is how it looks like. Gonna go on my lips. I was pretty amazed because I generally don't tend to like brown on my lips, but I really like the way this looked on my lips. So a definite yay from my side. Also, I forgot to mention the fact that it has SPF 20, which is great for summers because our lips need protection as well from the UV rays. We generally tend to ignore this area, but your pout needs that extra protection. Trust me girls, it does. Time to try out Berry Sherbet. This is what it looks like. Gonna open it up. This is what it looks like from the top, and let's see what it looks like on my lips. I really tend to like shades which are on the deeper wine side because somehow that is my thing. So obviously I had to love this, especially under deep wine lipstick. This is the perfect base. So if you are a red lip lover or a wine lip lover like I am, definitely go for this. So that's how these look on my lips. I would also like to clear up the fact that I do not have like heavily pigmented lips, so I do think that these won't show up that great if you have like really pigmented lips. But yes, they do have some color and a good amount of it at that. Definitely they're not going to replace your lipsticks, but if you're a lip gloss sort of a person, or you're a person who just wants something to, you know, to give you just a nice flush of color without, you know, having to apply a lip balm, a lip liner, a lipstick, a lip gloss, then something to set it and everything. So this is definitely something for you, because you don't have to do all those sort of fussy things and you can just have a nice flush of color all over your lips, which is going to suit your skin. Now coming to the other claims, they claim that it is like a 12-hour moisturizing thing. Well, no, these moisturize your lips for about 4 to 5 hours, and throughout the time the color stays on your lips, which is the most amazing thing, because I've seen that, you know, sometimes with lip balms what happens is, like colored lip balms, what happens is that the color just fades away. The moisturizing is still there but the color fades away. But with these lip balms, the color stays till the moisturization is there. After about 6 hours I need to reapply, otherwise I feel my lips are going all dry and everything, which I think is pretty good for a lip balm, because lip balms generally don't stay for that long. I think the formulation of Electropops and these are quite same, just that they have been thinned down to fit the, you know, original Baby Lips packaging, because this is the original Baby Lips packaging. Electropops are a little thicker, so yes, that's what I think. But these are more expensive than the Electropops, and Pink Shock is a really nice color. It's very pigmented, so if you are looking for something that's really pink and pigmented, Pink Shock is what you should go from the Electropop range. That retails for 165 rupees I guess, and these are for 175. But if you are, you know, if you want something in brown or wine undertones and something of that sort, then these are really good. The third shade, I'm not really sure how it looks and everything about that, but these two I can say are really pretty for Indian skin tone, because these are going to suit your skin. So yes, that is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this. These are a yay from my side, although I do hope that the packaging, you know, was better than this, because somehow this doesn't look really appealing to me. It, you know, prettiness lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I know I said prettiness and then I'm like, you know what, I'm saying something wrong. But I'm just rambling on, and this is rhyming. Oh my god, I should stop rhyming my lines. So this is my review for the Maybelline Baby Lip Spiced Up collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is definitely for the people who want just a flush of color without all the fuss, and especially for darker Indian skin tones as well, because finally there's something in the market specifically designed for Indian skins. Thank you, Maybelline. So yes, that was my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it was helpful for you. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media. All my social media links will be in the bottom bar, along with an address where you can send me letters and things. Another advantage of following me is that you would know what my upcoming reviews are, and you can also like comment there, because I do, you know, read those comments a lot more. So yes, you can go ahead, follow me, your wish. So yes, I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care.